Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Thank you so much for overwhelming love. It's another day, guys. It's another city. I told you guys this year I'm gonna take you around the US. I want you guys to know more cities, more places. Whenever you come here, so you don't look like a stranger here in the US. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe at Umoto Lifestyle. Guys, today we are going to Wichita Falls. Yes! Wichita Falls is one of the cities here in Texas. Well, Wichita Falls is the northern part or the northern side of Texas. So, do you know, guys, why it's called Wichita Falls? It's really very interesting. So they say that in the 1940s, guys, Wichita Falls used to have so many stores, manufacturers stores. Not really manufacturer stores, but they used to have factory cities. So it used to have over 100 manufacturing companies here in Wichita Falls. That's the 1950s, guys. And also they used to have over 127 wholesale outlets, okay? And they used to have 741 retail stores. That's why it earned its famous names, Wichita Falls. And did you know that in Wichita Falls, guys, we're gonna take you there? I'm here, of course, with my family. I love traveling with my family. You wanna wave to my camera? Say hello. So, guys, we're gonna go and discover more about Wichita Falls. Of course, we're gonna take you to this famous man-made fall there. We're gonna take you to these museums, and we're gonna take you to the littlest skyscraper. I cannot wait, guys. Let's get there and see what we can see in Wichita Falls. Come on with me, guys.
What we do here is go back.
Guys, we are on our way to Wichita Falls. So far, this is how the roads look like here. We are actually in the city of Alvado, going to Wichita Falls. We are about to have about 50 minutes to get to Wichita Falls, but so far you can tell the roads were messy with the snow. So what they did down here, the stripes that we see, they were curing the roads, because the roads a few days ago has been a lot of snow here in Texas. So, guys, come with us. Let's go to the city of Wichita. Guys, can you see those cows over there? There's so many cows on our way to Wichita Falls. Guys, we're here in Wichita Falls. We have about 10 minutes. Welcome to Wichita Falls.
What we do here is go back.
Guys, we are officially in Wichita Falls, Arc City. Come on with us. Let's go downtown Wichita Falls and let's go tour more places. This is how Wichita Falls looks like, guys. Wichita Falls. Downtown Wichita Falls. Aqueduct, Abilene, Jacksboro. They have little motels here. Wichita Falls. Look at that dome right there. Guys, this is some of the streets here in Wichita. This is how they look like. Welcome, welcome to Wichita Falls. This is it. We are behind the city. This is downtown actually. This is how we are going to go around, so y'all can see how it looks like.
Right onto Wichita Street, quarter mile.
Guys, we're going around through the streets to check around how Wichita Falls behind the scenes looks like. This is how it looks like. Let's keep going around, guys. Let's keep going around. Enjoy the city of Wichita Falls.
Right onto 7th Street.
Guys, there are so many abandoned houses here in Wichita Falls. It looks like a ghost city.
Your destination will be on the left.
Guys, welcome to the world's littlest skyscraper here. Guys, look at the world's littlest skyscraper in the whole world. My goodness, look at it. Here in Wichita Falls. Guys, this is how it looks like. Let me take the entire clip for you so you can see. It starts literally from here. Let me show you. It starts from here. It's on La Salle 7th Street. So this is the street right here. Right here. And you can see how the entire worlded skyscraper looks like. I have my people there taking pictures. This is how it looks like. Guys, look at that. Over there. Other side, I see so many abandoned buildings. And this is how the street looks like over there. And the yard, the motor lifestyle in the middle of Wichita Falls, in the littlest skyscraper over here. Let's walk there, guys. Look there. Oh my goodness, and that's my people there taking pictures. So far. Let me see if I can capture a clip for you. The wildest, littlest skyscraper right here with the motor lifestyle over here. Let me take a thumbnail, guys. And that's my boys taking pictures over there. Yeah. finished with the skyscraper. Now let's go see the waterfalls, okay? Let's go. While we're walking downtown Wichita Falls, it is cold. Hey, but we're here rocking. What is this? I love downtown Wichita. This sign right here. Huge park. Oh, let's go see some. I see some images here. Let me see what is there. Come on guys, follow me. Let me show you what is this. Whoa, I see some carvings here. I see alligator mouth. Oh my goodness, this is something else. Guys, look at that. Oh well guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like the video, and put your notification on for the next video. See you again. Bye bye.